miss me? I'm back with another freaking video. I'm playing. That's not even my intro. But anyways, y'all don't know who I am. I'm Nyla Symone. I'm a lifestyle YouTuber. I just really post whatever I want, and I hope y'all enjoy. So make sure y'all subscribe. We're on the way to 10K. So make sure y'all subscribe. Currently, right now, I think we're at 7,988 the last time I checked. So by the time you watch this video, if we're at 10K, still subscribe. But if we're not at 10K, subscribe. Yeah, make sure y'all like this video and make sure y'all comment down below. So as y'all can see by the title, today is a maintenance vlog. We're finna get this, and this together. It's currently 3:07 in the morning. Oh my God, look. That's how you know I was going in the shower. Well, it's currently spring break. And I leave for Savannah today. I leave to go back home to Atlanta. If y'all don't know, I go to Savannah State University. If this is your first time watching me, I attend a HBCU called Savannah State University. I major in business and marketing, and I'm a junior. So, yeah, I leave to go back home tomorrow. I packed my bags. Everything is packed. My hair appointment is tomorrow. Shout out to Ula Hair for sponsoring this video, because my hair appointment is tomorrow. So the next time y'all see me, which is probably going to be tomorrow, I will have some clip-ins in. Y'all, I've been using this. Can y'all see this? At first, I didn't know what that P word stand for, but I looked it up, and it said it was like for like acne that's like red and like rashy. And y'all, I had that literally in the middle of my head, and I put this on it, and it was gone the next day. I said, okay. I just do it on the target areas. And if you guys follow me on Twitter, you know I've been having like a breakdown about my skin. Like, I feel like it's just been everywhere. But I did dermaplate my face earlier this week, and I feel like that did a lot. Oh, we also get our nails done on Tuesday. Like, we're getting our nails done by a nail tech. So if you guys watched my last vlog, you guys would have probably saw that I told y'all I was doing like a rebrand for a nail tech. That's who I'm getting my nails done by. I was trying to get my eyelashes done, but it's not really working out. Anyways, y'all, okay, I got this hyaluronic acid from Dollar Tree. I was just in Dollar Tree really buying pimple patches, and I saw this, and I've always been wanting to try this, so I got it. And my friend, like, she was really like, why would you buy that from the dollar store? And I felt like it wasn't that bad of a purchase. I don't even know why I bought that, because my skin has been breaking out. I've been using it for 2 days, and it's not bad. I don't know, y'all, it's 3 o'clock in the morning, and I'm starving, and nothing's open. Oh, I already shaved my legs, so I don't need like a wax appointment or anything, because I shaved. And y'all, let me tell you what I use. I use Topicals Slather. I basically, yeah, I shaved with EOS. I exfoliated with Tree Hut, which I'm not really a big fan of Tree Hut, but that's the only exfoliator I had. And then moisturize with Slather. If you guys don't know what Slather is, Slather kind of like basically treats like your strawberry legs and stuff like that. And it's also an exfoliant body serum. And then I went in with a body butter as well. These two together, my legs felt amazing. Okay? You know what I'm saying? It was just like, yeah. Okay? Now I'm glowing and hydrated. I got some iPads when I went to the dollar store as well, and I've never used iPads before. They're gold, bitch. They're gold. Oh, okay. Anyways, I'll see you guys Tuesday for my hair appointment. Alright, y'all, so I am on the way to my hair appointment. I just stopped and got me some Starbucks. I am getting clip-ins today, so that's basically the look for today. Hold on, make sure nobody comes. So yeah, I'm getting clip-ins today. I'm sorry that I keep having to move y'all around, and I don't know if it's dark or if it's just me, but it looks pretty dark to me. I came on here to talk to y'all, but now that I opened up the camera, I don't have anything to say. I actually need to stop and get gas, but I'm not going to stop and get gas because I still have enough miles to make it to where I'm going. What's up, y'all? Ula Hair just sent me some 24 inches clip-ins. I love them so much. They're thick, they're so comfortable, and they're longer than 24 inches because that's not giving 24, it's giving 30. But y'all can check out my whole review at the end after you see my install.
your shit today, no. I ain't taking your shit tomorrow, no. We can do it my way, so I ain't sticking, no, I ain't sticking around no more. Cause you just wanna play with my heart, no. I see you with the girl at the party, no. You think I'm just gonna stand nobody? Watch you waste my time, but I don't wait too far. I guess I'm on for you, baby. I guess I'm on you. I guess I'm on for you, baby. We'll call it what you want. I guess I'm on for you, baby. I guess I'm on you, oh. I guess I'm on for you, baby. Call me what you want. Think I ain't you for you money. Got my own money, so I'ma show you. Hey, you swear that I'll be only money, so I'ma show you. Think I ain't you for you money. Got my own money, so I'ma show you. Hey, you swear that I'll be only. Guess you don't know me. Guess you don't know me. I guess I'm on for you, baby. I guess I'm on you. I guess I'm on for you, baby.
Hold on, guys. Currently driving, trying to get some gas because I only have 16 miles in my car because I didn't think I had enough time to get gas before. So, yeah. I'm going to get me a car mount because this ankle isn't cute no more. Like, I used to think it was that girl, but... Oh, I'm like, who is talking? I used to think it was that girl, but it's not that girl no more. Okay? I'm on the way to get gas, but I don't see no gas station. This is what you need a man for. First of all, you don't need a man for anything. One, but times like this is when you need a man. Anyways, y'all can see my hair is done. You know, my hair is done. Shout out to Ula Hair for sponsoring this video again. I love it. Michelle did a good job. I'll link Michelle's information down below as well if y'all want to get y'all hair done by her. Y'all saw we cut the ends because the ends was a little too ragged. I'm by my friend's house. Did I go to Mayombi's house? I don't feel like it, so no. Hey, Mayombi! Because her house right there. Okay, anyway. I really forgot what I was saying. I was going to get gas because I have 16 miles in my car, which is embarrassing. Y'all see I'm not good with multitasking. But I was really playing music and I was going to sing my music. So I think I'm going to do that because obviously I don't know what I'm talking about.
The best of Benjamin, the only thing I need. I just come up off the head, no on right. Brown skin, she bad as fuck. I told that bitch to strike a pole. This shit legit like color rain. Tryna run this money up so I can pull up in the rain. Man, these know this ain't no Jada Waiter. This right here, big booty Judy.
First of all, I forgot that his part was that long. Like, I was like, damn, it's finna end, it's finna end. It never ended. I did not think his part was that long. I really forgot that. Anyways, I only have 25% in this battery. It's finna die. And only 20 minutes left on this SD card. But I think I brought my other SD card. That Corvette is really cute. Like, that Corvette really talking about stuff. I don't even like Corvettes. But I could see myself liking that. Like, I could see myself getting one. Oh my gosh, it's such a beautiful day outside. But I'm only saying it's a beautiful day because my hair done. Anyways, I'm gonna talk to you guys later.
I ain't got a clue, bro.
I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my earnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day, trying to be fine.
Okay, so it is currently 11:38. It is March 15th. It's the next day. I wanted to show y'all how I wrap my hair because this is really how Michelle told me to wrap my hair. So let's see how it came out. So you know how they have like those things and then the scrunchies and like wrap your hair behind it. So she told me to get a long scarf since I don't have one of those. So yeah, I just got out the shower and finished brushing my teeth. So now I am ready. This is what this part look like. This is not no satin scarf. This is like a real scarf. Like this is like an outfit scarf. And then I put the scrunchie on. So okay, let's just I don't know. Okay. I don't know how to unravel this. Okay. Okay. Look. Okay, I see it. This side just slip out. Okay. 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 Okay, it's not that bad. Okay. Okay, so it really just feels like I have basically tape-ins for like micro links in. So let me basically explain how she did it. I do have the clip-ins in. I have 9 clip-ins in. They gave me 10. The only clip-in I don't have is like this big piece because my head's not that big, so yeah, she put them wherever she put them at. I don't really know how to do clip-ins, so that's exactly why I went to her, because I know she know how to. But to keep my clip-ins to stay for a longer time, she used the anchor. So if you guys know, with micro links, they have those little bud that you put on your hair strand and you plier it on. She used that to be like an anchor for the clip-ins. So I have a few of those in my head, so when I want to wash these clip-ins or take them out, I basically just take them out and then have to keep them in order so I remember like where every single one was at. I wash them, blow dry them, and then I put them back in my head and I put them on top of the anchor so it can like be, you know, like perfect. Y'all can see like it really looks like my real hair. This look like it could be a sew-in. Like you really don't know what this could be. It could be a sew-in, and like it's very versatile. So I could move it to the side. Like this would be to the side basically. It's very versatile. Now mind you, with the clip-ins I still have to keep in mind that to not show the tracks or whatever, but I just want to show y'all how like versatile it is and how blended into my hair it is. So you really just never know like what, you just never know. My opinion on these clip-ins. So I did wear these clip-ins in a previous vlog before, and I was just basically like trying them out, so I did wear them for a few. The first time I wore them, they were shedding. Now of me like sitting here, they wasn't shedding that bad. We did have to trim the ends though, because the ends were bad, and I feel like anytime you get bundles, weave, wigs, you always trim your weave ends, because you know, you want it to look healthy, you want it to match your hair, and the ends were just basically going to straddle on, so we did cut the ends to make it all nice. Now I did see it when it was straight. I don't know if you guys saw it when it was straight, but I saw it when it was straight, and it was so cute. So I can't wait to like straighten it. But I do like curls, and I told her to curl it because I don't know how to curl my hair like this. Oh my god, is this a deodorant stain? Damn, I put deodorant on before I even touched this shirt. Anyways, the hair is soft. It blends in with my hair. It's really good hair. It is very silky hair, so if you have like coarse hair, I do recommend getting the Gaki. If y'all know me, y'all know I usually do quick weaves or something that's just a natural hairstyle. So I love it. I think that they really do look like micro links, and I'm pretty sure that I can like do a bunch of different styles. I'm just not trying to mess up my curls right now. The hair can actually hold a curl. This is body wave hair, so it is recommended to, you know, put it in a curl, and it looks very thick. So I did tell y'all that I thought it was going to be thin. This looks very thick. Like this looks very thick, so I like that about that. I like for my hair to look thick to the roar, to the tutor. So yeah, but yeah, so make sure you guys go shop with Ula Hair. Like I said, everything will be in the description down below. I have my coupon code down below, because y'all know I wouldn't tell y'all about nothing unless you get some money off. What type of person would I be? Make sure y'all go click the link down below if you want to get you some nice healthy looking clip-ins. And yeah, especially if you want to do like a hairstyle with your hair out, these are really giving micro links, and they're very versatile. You can really keep these in for one night and take them out the next night. You could be short hair, long hair, it's up to you. These are 24 inches, so let me remind you that these are 24 inches, and it's stopping right here, but when it's straight, it literally stops at my butt, so it's really giving 30 inches. Thank you, Ula Hair, for sponsoring this video. Like I said, all the links will be in the description, and yeah, I'm gonna see y'all later. I hope y'all enjoyed this maintenance vlog. Yes, I am vlogging my spring break. I just haven't did nothing except got my hair done and my maintenance, so I am vlogging my spring break though, so there will be another vlog after this vlog that you're seeing, so don't even do too much. Thank you guys for 8,000. Oh my god, when I was on the road yesterday coming back, we had hit 8,000. So thank you guys so much for 8,000. Hopefully by the time y'all see this, we might be at 10,000. If we at 10,000, still subscribe. But if you're new here, still subscribe, because we lit over here, you know what I'm saying? It's just, it's real, raw, and uncut. I can't wait to hit 10,000. I feel like when I hit 10,000, that's not gonna be like, I'm not gonna be comfortable, but it's gonna be like I finally made it. Like I finally made it somewhere, because I've never hit 10,000 on no social media platform, and I've always wanted to hit 10,000 on YouTube. And it's like, this is the hardest thing, not one of the hardest things I have to do, because all I have to be is consistent, and y'all show out, God shows out. But this is like one of the most committed things I've like ever done to make it to 10,000. I feel like, I don't know, it's just, it's it was a long road to 10,000. You know what I'm saying? 10,000 was a long road to touch. But we touched it, so it don't even matter. But yeah, I'm going to see you guys later in my next video.